Okay. Well, that's what I figured. That's right.
If they're showing like 760,
yeah, well, mine's rated for all that. The problem is that
it's too
I saw that. That's what's going on. You want to go over there? Thank you. Got a camera right there. Hey, sir.
Yeah, you're wrong. Yeah, 6 inches off the ground. That's a one.
Just in your last name for me?
My name is Richard Janke,
Can you spell that, Richard?
Jahnke.
Richard, what happened?
I was sitting in my car and I was reading, and I thought it was thunder. Something happened, I don't know what it was, and my windshield was broken. I didn't know what happened. There's bricks. I didn't know what happened. So I checked around and I found the car was in the pool. So that's what happened.
It was partially in the pool?
Partially, yeah.
What'd you do after that?
My father got out and I said, I'll check around, and I called the police. I don't know if he did, but I told him to call the police, and then he came out and some neighbors came out, and I talked to a couple officers about this, and they took my information, and then that's all I can tell you. But it scared the hell out of me.
Power out of the house?
Yes.
Why is that? Why is the power out?
I'm not an electrician.
But there's a power pole that was sheared off?
Oh, there's a power that's it's sitting on the roof. And the wires are all down. I told my dad to stay away from the pool because it's dangerous, electricity. And the police also told me the same thing. And a lot of damage.
All right, but everybody's okay?
As far as I know, no one's dead or hurt, as far as I see. I was not hurt. Scared the hell out of me, though.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.